Hi friends, make some bourbon honey vanilla paste with me. Let me flip the camera around so you can see the items that you need. You will need 2 ounces of vanilla beans, 3/4 of a cup of bourbon, and I use Bullet brand, 3/4 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of Karo syrup, 1/3 cup of water, and we're all going to put it in to the blender. I placed everything in the blender. I cut up the vanilla beans, and you see I've cut them up. Put those in here, and then we're going to blend this. Okay, so here we are. I did blend it. I did have to add 1/8 of a teaspoon of xanthan gum, only because the honey is a little liquefied. Maybe I thought I used crystallized honey. So here is our finished product. Uh-oh, found a bean that fell in the cup. So we're just gonna pour this in. And you can use this for baking. I put it in my coffee, pancakes. You can, anything you put vanilla extract in, you can use the paste. You just won't use as much because it's a strong vanilla flavor. See if I can get the rest of that out. And there you have it. 1 jar of bourbon honey vanilla paste. Really easy to make, great gift ideas. I hope you're the lucky winner that will get this as a door prize.